morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Krista, this is Andrew, he's my partner. We're currently in Argentina, we've been here for a few days. So yeah, we're gonna go explore some parts that we haven't been to yet. So you'll be getting a first reaction, and yeah, let's go exploring. Are you excited?
Very excited.
Very excited? How do you like Argentina so far?
Yeah, I love it. It's like, it doesn't feel like South America. It feels like you're in Europe. Like, I love the trees, I love the autumn feel, I love the people are so fashionable, and like everyone's really friendly.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I really love, I could live here.
Yeah, me too. Cool, let's go get breakfast. We're going to get some bakery goods and a coffee. Let's go.
Okay, so I ended up getting, even though we're going to share, I got something called a chocolate torta, and I believe this is an Argentinian traditional birthday cake, but it's made with dulce de leche, and according to the recipe, some of the biscuit parts are soaked in milk, some are soaked in coffee.
Oh.
So it intrigued me because it was kind of like an Argentinian tiramisu, kind of.
Oh, that's pretty nice.
That's super soft, isn't it? That's really good.
It's not as rich as I thought it was going to be.
I thought it was going to be really rich, but that's really nice, really mellow. Yeah, it's super good, yeah.
Yeah.
Really good.
Do you want to take a bite of mine?
Where do I start?
Honestly, I don't know what that is. There we go. Verdict?
Nice.
Yeah? Not your favourite though?
No, it's nice. I think that's just jam.
Okay.
In a pastry, and we obviously know what this is.
Yeah, dulce de leche, duh. Is there a banana in it? No? Look, I have. Yeah?
Also very nice, yeah.
Oh.
These two are really good.
Okay, I'm gonna eat this one now. Actually, that's really nice. Yeah, that's a jam of some sort. Pastry is very delicious, very soft. It's sticky, but really good. And then obviously the dulce de leche, you can't pass that one up. Why is dulce de leche so good?
It's made from Jesus.
Oh yeah, that's delicious. It's kind of thick when you put your spoon through it, but oh. That's really good. Oh my god. I think there's almost like a mousse in there as well. I kind of get that taste, that texture. Recommend. Try this out.
And what did you get to drink?
Oh, I got an iced vanilla latte. And it's a bit like bougie for an iced vanilla latte. I don't usually get whipped cream on my iced lattes, but this is delicious. Yeah. Yum. Okay guys, so we've just finished with our little treats. They were so good. Now we're on our way to go get money out from MoneyGram or Western Union is the two options you can pick. There might be a few others.
I think they're the two major ones. I don't know if there's any others that people would use constantly, but they're the two ones that you usually go to. Western Union is like the bigger one.
Yep, so that's not far from where we're staying, so we're going to go there, get some money out, and then head on off to another little part of Buenos Aires. So we've just caught a cab down, what's this area called?
Oh, good question. Port something? It's like obviously the port, like everybody knows the port area in Buenos Aires.
Yeah.
I think it's Porto Madero.
Anyways, we're at this spot here and we just thought we'd take a quick little wander and see what's here and then make our way to La Boca. Andrew was saying that this is definitely like Docklands, Port Melbourne, was it?
Docklands and Port Melbourne in Melbourne. Like gives you those kind of vibes.
Yeah. Okay guys, so you can see that there is this bridge behind me. This is the Puente de la Mujer. I hope I'm saying that right. But it actually means woman's bridge. Fun fact.
Which is ironic because women never get over it.
You little cheeky bum. So we are currently walking down this street here, which you would know, this is apparently a street museum, which is very cool. These used to be houses for the immigrants when they came here, apparently. And also it turned 152 years old, this little area in La Boca, I think. Or it was just La Boca. But yeah, cool. Very fun. What do you think, babe?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's very cool. We just saw like a group of like Argentinian kids just walking through. And they were so excited to hear somebody speak English. Like,
yeah, it was quite funny.
It's quite funny, yeah. It's like the kind of things you see like on travel vlogs. You're like,
Yeah.
oh, that's so cool. What a cool situation.
Oh, this is really nice though.
Yeah. Sweet red wine.
Really?
Yeah, it's almost like a dessert wine. It's delicious.
I love how a couple of glass it comes in though.
Dude, let's try that. That's actually really nice.
Oh, that's very sweet.
Isn't it?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You could drink that.
I could, but slowly. Are you a happy boy?
I am a very happy boy. Before we put anything on it, this is what it looks like here.
So just a plain
Chorizo. See? Plain chorizo Argentinian sausage. And then we've got some chimichurri here. This is a traditional way of having the choripan. What we had yesterday was like a bit more modern, of course.
Did they toast the bread as well?
It feels like it. It's warm too, so they must.
Is that good? How does it compare to yesterday's one?
Well, yesterday's had more going on because it was like the sauces and the bread was very different.
I suppose it's more of a modern twist yesterday.
Purely just a chimichurri and the choripan with the chorizo, but you get this really nice smoky flavour from the chorizo.
Yeah.
But the sausage alone is just incredible. It's so nice. It's delicious. It's really good.
The bread looks really good too.
The bread's also crispy. Yeah, you should try some.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah. That has you said it was smoky, yeah? Yeah, that's really good. So I got a ham and cheese empanada, and then this was the chicken one, which I haven't tried yet. The ham and cheese one, very delicious, isn't it? That's delicious. Yum. This is a chicken one. Smells good. That's a good one too. Really yummy.
Okay, this is a chicken empanada.
Yep.
Oh wow. That's super delicious, really crispy, and I've got like I don't know if that's red pepper or if it's capsicum.
Yeah,
it's
probably
really nice.
It wasn't spicy when I had it, so.
It must have been pepper. Really nice. Chicken's really tender. You get that nice spice through it. This is really good.
Yum. That's it for today's video. Thanks again for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe to me, subscribe to Andrew's channel, check out my Instagram, which I've put in at the side of the video, and also stick around for other videos because we are here for a while, planning to anyway. So yeah, bye, ciao. You dropped on my It's Buenos Aires or Buenos Aires?
Buenos Aires.
Buenos Aires.